Welcome to Guruvarya Academy. Learn everything in simple way. Let's start today's session. Guides. Today's session will be so interesting because in this session we are going to learn a poem be the best. तुम्ही जे आहात त्याचे तुम्ही सर्वोत्तम व्हा. Here we have given firstly a warming up to improve our memory or spoken skill in English. Here we have also given a chit chat session that we have to take. Now move towards chit chat session. Let's see it, guys. Question number first. Have you got a prize in any competition? Yes, I got a prize in a science quiz. Question number second. How did you feel at that time? I felt very happy at that time. Question number third. Have you ever failed in your efforts? Yes, I have failed in my efforts. Question number 4. Do you think we should accept success as well as failure? Yes, I think we should accept success as well as failure. Question number 5. What will be your reaction if you are not selected in a team? I will be sad and try for the next chance. Here we have given 2 introductory questions that we have to see it. Let's see it, guys. Question number first A. Read aloud the following sets of words. खालील शब्दांचा सेट मोठ्याने वाचा. A. River, stream, sea, ocean. B. Hill, stone, mountain, rock. C. Plant, sapling, tree, seed. D. Child, adult, baby, youth. Question B. Now we have to rearrange the given set. आता आपल्याला वरील शब्दांच्या सेट्सची पुनर्रचना त्यांच्या आकारावरून करायची आहे. आन्सर A. Stream, river, sea, ocean. B. Stone, rock, hill, mountain. C. Seed, sapling, plant, tree. D. Baby, child, youth, adult. Here we completed our first introductory question. Now move towards the second introductory question. In your pre-primary classes, you must have learned the story of the lion and the mouse. तुम्ही तुमच्या पूर्व माध्यमिक वर्गामध्ये सिंह आणि उंदीर यांची गोष्ट ऐकली असेल. ऐकलीत ना मुलांना? Read it in English and fill in the gaps using words given in the box. ती इंग्लिशमध्ये वाचा आणि खालील तक्त्यात दिलेल्या शब्दांनी रिकाम्या जागा भरा. चला तर मग भरूयात रिकाम्या जागा. A lion was sleeping in a dash dash forest. A mouse started playing on him. The lion got up dash dash angrily. He caught the mouse and he was ready to dash dash it, kill it. The dash dash begged the lion to leave it and said that someday it would dash dash the lion. The mouse begged the lion to leave it and said that someday it would help the lion. The lion dash dash and let it go. The lion laughed and let it go. One day the lion was dash dash in a net set by the hunters. One day the lion was caught in a net set up by hunters. He dash dash loudly as he tried too hard to escape. He roared loudly as he tried too hard to escape. The mouse dash dashed the lion and came. The mouse heard the lion and came. It dash dashed up the net with its sharp teeth and said the lion dash dash. It chewed up the net with its sharp teeth and set the lion free. Moral of the story. काय मोरल आहे तर ह्या स्टोरीचं? No one is useless, everyone is useful. According to our size, we cannot decide that we will be important or not important. It is depends upon our skills. थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग व्हिडिओ. जर तुम्ही आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल तर लगेच सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बाजूला असलेल्या बेल आयकॉनवर क्लिक करा, म्हणजेच तुम्हाला आमच्या नवीन व्हिडिओचे अपडेट भेटतील. आणि शेअर करायला विसरू नका, कारण जशी तुम्हाला मदत झाली तशी इतरांना पण होऊ द्या. थँक्यू एव्हरीवन.